What's up, everybody? It's your girl Richay here, back again with another video. Welcome back to my car. Today is gonna be a moving vlog, probably part number 1. I currently applied for an apartment. This is a quick little video right here of it. I applied for it. I liked it. It's kind of small, but it's gonna do everything that it needs to for me personally, because I am moving out and in with myself and my lovely cats. They're still my babies. So I did have to do that, and of course I'm just getting ready. I'm about to show y'all my house right here, and it currently looks like an absolute mess. I look like I'm hoarding a bunch of stuff. I'm honestly getting rid of so much. I'm going through things and throwing things out. I think I got rid of at least a fourth, maybe a fifth of my fabric stash. I got rid of some clothes a couple months back, and I might need to have to do it again. We'll see. But I did go shopping for some pots and some Dollar Tree stuff, because I got rose bushes the other day, and I want to take them with me, just like I want to take all of my trees with me. And I'm not supposed to do that, but I'm going to do it anyways. So I got some gigantic pots from Walmart. Not a fan of Walmart, but I figured it'd be cheaper than Target. Plus I needed something plastic. It's just easier to carry. I learned that the hard way from my lovely olive tree, my baby. I got him a really expensive concrete pot. It's too heavy. It is too heavy. So, I don't know. I might need to replant him or something. I feel like the pot's gonna break because it has so much cracks in it, but we'll see. Yeah, let's get on with our day.
Ever since the day that you went away.
So it's currently snowing a bit in Texas, and all the roads are icy. And they said you got to go out and salt your driveway. So this is me salting my driveway. That should do it. Hell no. This what we not finna do, Texas. This what we finna not do. What the hell is this? We ain't about this. Oh my god. What the fuck? I'ma slip and die, y'all. This ain't it. This ain't it, Texas. Let's stop this shit right now. Oof. Someone crashed their car. This is what we not finna do. No. We don't do that here. And we don't do that here. And we don't do none of that here. It's too cold. This is a nope. Okay, Texas. You can stop now. You can stop now, Texas. We don't like this at all. We can see the snow. Yeah. Boop. No, don't run. Get inside. She's eating it. She's like, what am I supposed to do with it? It's currently 12 p.m., right? What is this? What is this? This is too much snow. This is some bull. We don't like this. We're going back inside. We don't like this. Alright, I didn't think I'd have to do this, but it's currently 1 p.m. and I haven't had water, gasoline, power, or service since 3 a.m. So I'm in a million layers. My cats are freezing. I'm freezing. And my neighbor is going to attempt to drive through the snow. And I'm going to go find something that I can set a fire in. Because what are the odds that I can set a fire to my house while it's snowing? And if I do,
At least my cats will be warm, and I'll be warm. And that's all that matters. Let's go. What the fuck is even Texas? I have an entire thesis due tomorrow. And you know what I don't have? My thesis. And it would be a very great day if I had my stupid generator that I left at my dad's house. Shit! That's deep. My stupid generator that I left at my dad's house because I was like, I'm not gonna need it anytime soon. Obviously, I was wrong. It's like the fucking apocalypse. He's not gonna be able to stop on time. Hi. So here's an update. Fucking Dollar General's closed because there's no power, and I'm not trying to destroy my car by risking driving in this. Yeah, that ain't it, Chief. I just wanted something to start a fire in, like a grill. Oh look, they're gonna steal that barrel. Oh, they're smart. They're so fucking smart. They're gonna steal that barrel to start a fire. I should have done that. I don't know if y'all could see them. It's kind of funny. Yeah. It's fucking funny. I'm not trying to die today. I mean, I guess I am, because I'm gonna set the house on fire. Fuck this. It's too cold. I like how they stopped as soon as they realized I was recording. Y'all got it? You might want to empty it first. He said, yeah. They really gonna steal that barrel. If I had a couple chains, I'd steal that little trash can right there. I'd use that, I'm not gonna lie. So apparently my area is the only area, well, I mean, some people have power, a lot of others don't, like the Dollar General. And my mother has power, and my sister has power, and apparently they have everything that I need, including service. And my mother said, well, I guess it's time for you to apocalypse up. And I'm like, oh my god. If I really wanted to apocalypse up, I would have stole that girl. I would have went to go grab a weapon and rob them of that barrel that they were trying to steal. But I'm just gonna light the house on fire. Where'd you buy the food?
Huh?
Where'd you go?
Oh, I went home and I came back here to my brother.
Oh, okay, because I was like, Dollar General's closed.
Yeah. Hey, what's Dollar General?
They're closed. They don't got power. They don't got any kind of power. They barricaded the doors. Or I'd break inside the school and see. But, you know, the school's also a church, and apparently that's frowned upon. H-E-B had nothing for me, but here's Target. Target is always coming in clutch, half power, and still lets us in. have no way of heating any kind of food. So I think I'm gonna fill the outside cooler with snow and throw all of my freezable stuff in there, because it seems like I'll be eating cereal for the next couple days. I'm also a little bit less worried about what I'm eating and a little bit more worried on how to keep my cats warm. I was going to say, did I pass the cat stuff? There's my Coke bottle. Let's see if it's cold. It's kind of cold. It's kind of cold. Yeah, this'll do. It's the worst time to have packed everything away. Can opener. Close enough, right? Actually, it's pretty cold. Tastes like diet though. Fucking nasty. Welcome to Apocalypse 101, Texas version. Alright, so the big and most important question is, did I technically break lease by buying this fire pit? Yes. Do I care? No. So anyways, this is what I'm doing. What are you doing? Trying to make me some bean and cheese tacos. I'm gonna turn on as many things as I can now. Piss everybody off. No, I'm just kidding. Water's on. So that's dope. Now I have electricity and water. I'm gonna have to reset a bunch of shit. My ice maker is now on again. Yes, we love convenience. Yeah. I don't know if the gas is on. Probably should check that, right? I would assume the gas is on because the heater's on. Boy, no, I could be burning my receipts. I could have used that as charcoal starter. Gas is on. Finally. That was a fun little practice Apocalypse, Texas. Let's do it again. Very enjoyed the fire. I don't know if I have service yet. We'll find out. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. This was interesting. Texas, let's do this again, but yeah, this was definitely interesting. I fed myself. I figured out how to keep us warm. I think I do very well in the Apocalypse, Texas. Let's definitely do this again, except with no snow. I hate snow. See you guys next time.